Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to tab here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Let me tell you that Canva doesn't have a traditional tab key function for text formatting like in word processors. But of course, we are going to show you some workarounds to create indentions or spacing similar to using a tab. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the project or design that you are working. If you haven't already, just go to the template section. You can choose from business, social media, education, video, marketing, and print products. But if you want to start from scratch, just click the create a design option here. Now, I'm going to add a simple text here. I'm going to add a video, probably like something that complements my image. Okay. And now I'm going to add a text. For example, I'm going to maybe add a header instead. Okay. I'm going to put in a random information. For example, this one right here. Okay, I'm going to add something like this one. Now, one of the easiest way for you to tab or use a tab kind of effect is using the space bar. For example, this. I'm going to make the fonts a little bit smaller so you guys can see it. Say maybe around 30. All right. You can use a manual space. Press enter and space. You see that? Doing so, you are kind of indenting around the text here. All right. So this is one of the easiest way for you to do it. And as you can see, that is that. All right. Now, after doing so, I want you to click on the spacing right here. Just click on it and you have an option for the letter spacing, right? So these are some of the options for you. You can also choose for the line spacing and you can play around here in Canva, all right? So these are some of the options to achieve the tab effect here in Canva. Click on play just to check if the design blends perfectly well. Once you're happy with this, you might want to click on the share option if you want to download as an MP4. And if you want to share this to your client, just click on the copy link. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.